Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're diving into the world of amphibians, and we're focusing on one of the most unique and popular frogs in the pet trade, PACMAN frog. Named after the iconic video game character, these frogs are famous for their large mouths and appetite, making them fascinating pets to own and observe. Here's a fun fact. PACMAN frogs are often called living stomachs because they'll almost eat anything that fits into their mouth, including insects, small rodents, and even other frogs. Their ferocious appetite and oversized mouths are what earned them the video game-inspired name, as they resemble Pac-Man gobbling up food. Pac-Man frogs are often a striking species with a round, chubby body and a wide, gaping mouth that makes up about half of their face. Their size can vary, but adults typically grow to around 4 to 7 inches in length, with females being larger than the males. They have short, stubby legs, which give them a stocky appearance, and while they are built for jumping, they can move quickly when necessary. There are two popular color variations, regular and albino. The regular Pac-Man frogs have a green to brownish body, often with dark spots or blotches that help them blend into their environments. They have a bumpy, textured skin that gives them a somewhat warty look, adding to their charm. The coloration is perfect for camouflage, as they are ambush predators that spend much of their time buried in leaf litter or soil, waiting for prey to pass by. The albino version is a bright, vibrant colored contrast to the regular variety. These frogs have a pale yellow or orange body with pinkish eyes, lacking the dark pigmentation seen in the regular Pac-Man frogs. The albino skin is smooth and glossy, giving them an almost otherworldly appearance, while they share the same shape and structure as the regular variety. Their unique color makes them a striking addition to any collection. Pac-Man frogs, also known as the South American horned frogs, are native to the rainforests of South America, particularly in the countries like Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. In the wild, they live in the humid, tropical environments of the dense vegetation. These frogs are terrestrial, spending most of their time on the forest floor. They burrow into the soil and hide under leaf litter to stay moist and ambush prey. Their ability to blend into their environment helps them avoid predators while they wait patiently for their next meal. They prefer areas with high humidity, as they rely on their moist skin to absorb water and breathe. Pac-Man frogs are solitary, ambush predators that spend most of their time in one spot, waiting for prey to come close. Unlike other frogs, they are not active hunters. Instead, they rely on patience and their impressive speed when striking at food. When a potential meal comes near, they lunge for it with their wide mouth, capturing their prey in a split second. Their diet consists of insects such as crickets, mealworms, and roaches, as well as small invertebrates like mice and other frogs. Due to their large size and appetite, they are sometimes referred to as bottomless pits. Juveniles should be fed every couple of days, while adults can be fed once or twice a week. It's important to note that Pac-Man frogs are prone to obesity, so it's crucial to monitor their food intake. If you're planning on keeping a Pac-Man frog as a pet, you'll need to set up a habitat that mimics their natural environment. A 10 to 20 gallon tank is sufficient for one adult Pac-Man frog, as they aren't particularly active and don't require a lot of space. The substrate should be soft and moisture retaining, such as coconut fiber or soil, as Pac-Man frogs like to burrow. It's essential to maintain high humidity levels, ideally between 60 to 80%, and provide a shallow water dish for soaking. Temperatures should be kept between 75 and 85 degrees during the day, with a slight drop at night. Heat lamps or under tank heaters are great for maintaining the right temperature, but avoid bright lights as the frogs prefer low light conditions. Pac-Man frogs are highly territorial and should be housed alone, as they may try to eat anything that moves, including other frogs. And that wraps up our introduction to the incredible Pac-Man frog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amphibian profiles. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.